Happy Sunday, people. So I'm currently here at Daytona Beach. They have closed down the area where people are allowed to park. As you can see, there is no cars where you're allowed to park on the beach like you normally can. There's not a lot of people here, which is great. It's normally always super crowded. The water is freezing. It's like ice water, so I don't really want to go swimming right now. It's a beautiful day out. It's sunny, and probably gonna shoot like a drone video in a few minutes and include this in this clip. I hope you guys are enjoying your weekend, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Guess who I came into?
I was gonna say, hey, what's up, guys?
Normally we bump into each other at the parks, but
I'm working here. It's not Monday, and the parks are closed.
I know. They're unfortunately it's closed for a couple of weeks. Universal, Disney, everything. So I had to stop by, see my theme park buddy Jeremy at his job, so I can get me some pizza.
Hope you like it.
He says the best pizza in Daytona, right?
Best pizza in Daytona.
So you guys should stop here if you're hungry and you're in the Daytona area. First time gonna be eating monster pizza. I've never had it before, so we'll see how it goes. And it's nice seeing my friend. Look, I gotta show you guys what it looks like. Hey!
That smells good. Might be a slice missing.
What? You can't be sticking your hand in my
No.
slice. It's a joke.
No.
But
Thanks for coming in.
what are you gonna say?
Everyone loves pizza. We'll stay open as long as we can.
Hey, what do you think about the whole crazy virus going on? Like, what's your thoughts about it?
It's good for me because I got job security.
Yeah, same for me. Like,
the only thing that sucks is, the parks being closed. I'm having withdrawals. Like, I'm off for the next 2 days. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna, like 1, 2. It's gonna be 99 bottles of beer. I don't know.
Yeah, we don't know what to do on our days off because we're so used to going to Disney or Universal. So now it's like, what do we do? So that's why I ended up going to the beach because that's the only thing that's actually open. Like a bunch of stuff are closed.
Yeah.
So it's great seeing my friend over here.
Yeah, thanks for coming in, Liz. Look forward to seeing you guys. Monster Pizza, Daytona. Come on in.
So this is going to end my video here. My favorite Katie Scampy. It was a great Sunday, beautiful weather. Everything was fun. About to go eat and relax, and hopefully you guys enjoy your video. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye to the camera. Not smell it. What's wrong with you? No.